Keyframes are one of the most powerful features in Capcut. Today, I'll show you everything you need to know about them. First, let's understand what a keyframe is. A keyframe only appears after you select a clip. It records the changes between 2 points, including size, position, color, volume, and almost any other parameter. First, scaling. Select your video and add a keyframe at the beginning. Move the timeline to where you want the animation to end, then use 2 fingers to zoom in. A new keyframe will be created automatically. Now the video gradually zooms in. Second, position. Add a sticker and resize it. Place it on the left side of the screen. Select the sticker and add a keyframe at the beginning. Move to the end, drag the sticker to the right, and another keyframe will be created automatically. Now the sticker moves smoothly across the screen. Third, color. Add a text layer and enter your text. Open Style. By default, the text is white. Add a keyframe here. Move forward on the timeline and change the text color. Now the text color transitions smoothly. You can do the same with video clips. Select the video, add a keyframe at the beginning, open Adjust, and lower the saturation to the minimum. Move forward on the timeline and set the saturation back to 0. Now the video transitions from black and white to full color. Fourth, volume. Add a music track. Place a keyframe at the beginning and lower the volume. Move forward on the timeline and increase the volume. Now the music gradually fades in. Fifth, seamless transitions. Import a video. Tap Overlay and add another video as an overlay. Drag the overlay slightly to the right. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the overlay. Open opacity and set it to 0. Move forward on the timeline and increase the opacity to 100. Now you've created a smooth, seamless transition. Finally, camera movement. Import a dancing clip and a background music track. Select the music, open beats, and tap Auto Beat. Add a keyframe at every beat marker. Starting from the second keyframe, zoom in every other keyframe. Now you have a dynamic camera movement effect. Once you master keyframes, you'll be able to create professional edits with ease. Did you learn it?